Domenic, when we come to Matsuura, and our audience will always see the showroom. You know, they'll see the new machines that you're exhibiting to your customers, but this is a little bit different. What's going on here?
So this is our workshop stroke warehouse. So this is where we stock our machines, whether it's Muratec or Matsuura machines, the Muratec lathe. But when we take an order from a customer, we tailor make that order to their specification here in our workshop. And also we do our turnkey engineering packages in our workshop. So this is, I can always say to our customers when they do visit Matsuura here at Colville, it's very much an engineering business that sells machine tools.
And how much does this help you sell machine tools when you show people this? Because clearly we're putting this on camera so people can see it.
Absolutely. So you know, the whole facility is a showroom. Okay, and if you can show a customer how we assemble the machines, how we build them up, and more importantly, when we do an engineering turnkey, you know, that we can have a designated area within the workshop where we can obviously prove out their components and the process before we deliver. The main thing is that we readily stock automated multi-pallet, multi-tool machines here at Colville. You know, we have an array of different options that we stock here for within a few weeks delivery.
And even for the investment levels that we're talking here for some machines, do people require them that quickly? You know, is it sometimes advantageous for you to have them here, sitting here ready?
The thing about capital investment, Paul, right, is that everybody will talk about it for many months, sometimes many years. But once they make the decision, they want it. You know, and obviously, you know, when you look at the lead time of building these machines, Matsuura only make machines to order, so we order stock. So you know, as our business has grown over the last 10 years, as you well know, so in order to have the inventory to be able to meet the demand from our customer base, but more importantly, to take an order for a MAM 7235V and say we can deliver it in a number of weeks, you know, I believe is obviously a key strength to our business to meet the customers' demands as their demands grow from their customers.